Hi friends, and welcome back to reading. Today we are going to read our second geode book. Yesterday we read our first and you guys did a wonderful job recording yourselves reading it. Well, today we are going to read a second book. But do you remember what we were working on yesterday? Yes, we were working on reading with fluency. And when we read fluently, there's those three important parts. The first important part is accuracy. Accuracy means, are we reading the right words? Are we reading accurately? The second piece of that puzzle is rate. Are you reading like a robot? Are you reading too fast that nobody can understand you? Or are you reading like you speak? We should read at the rate we speak. That third component is expression. Are you reading with expression? So when there's excitement in the book, does your voice go up? Okay, so you're going to read with the tone of the book. All right, friends, so as we read today, remember those three important components: accuracy, rate, and expression. So what we're going to do today is first Miss Scott will read the book to you. And then you're going to read it. And then you're going to retell the story with the beginning, middle, and end. All right, let's get started. The Story in the Cave. The Story in the Cave. One day a lad was on a path with his pals. They set out with a quick dog. Zip, pop, pop, thud. The dog got into a pit. The pit led to a big cave. Such a shock! The pals lit up the rock bit by bit. A rich mix of thick and thin, a dab, a dash, a fat dot, set on walls and up top. In colors from clay and cut-up rock, there was a thick bull, a red horse, and a thin man, and at the back, a big cat. Quick! We have to tell this big story. A lot of people came to check the rich art. It was from way back in time. Such a find. This den of art is a path to the past, but it has a lot of secrets. Why did they wish to do? What did they wish to do? Did they paint what they saw? Did they wish for us to see? Did they wish to tell a story? It is a lot to wonder. All right, friends, what a great story. All right, now it's going to be your turn to read and record yourself reading the story. All right, friends, you can go to your Seesaw activities, and it says 421 Geode Lesson. So you can hit Add Response, and in this activity, you're going to record yourself reading the story on each page. And remember, when you record, point to the words so that you make sure you don't miss anything. The Story in the Cave. So record yourself reading the story one more time. Then, at the end, I want you to evaluate yourself. Okay? So, you can write your name at the top. So, Miss Scott's Fluency Self-Evaluation. Miss Scott. Remember, when you self-evaluate, that's where we are evaluating or looking at what we did well and what we can improve. So first, my accuracy. Did I read the words correctly? Well, I know I missed one sentence, so I'm still working on that. So I'll color in the middle one. Rate. Did I read the words too fast but not too slow? I think I did a really good job at reading the rates and reading like I speak. Third one, expression. Did you read with feeling and not sound like a robot? Yes. I read with feeling, and when there's a question, my eyebrows went down. So I think I did really well. And punctuation. Did I follow most or all of the punctuation as I read the text? Yes. All right, and then friends, it says my next time I will work on blank. So the next time I'm going to work on accuracy by pointing to the words. So that's what I want to do well next time. All right, friends. So what did you do well and what do you want to improve when we read on Thursday? So next time I will work on accuracy by pointing to the words. All right, friends. The last activity you have is in your notebook. You are going to retell the story. You're going to retell the beginning, the middle, and the end. Remember, the beginning has the characters, the setting, and what was that big event or the main event in the beginning. The middle has the problem or what's the main event in the middle of the story. And then the end tells the resolution or the last event. So remember, you could write in the beginning, the characters and blank were, in the middle, or the problem was, and at the end, you can write at the end of the story. All right, friends, I hope you have a lot of fun reading this story today, and I can't wait to see you read fluently and your retell.